made hot sauce recently, and I mean I've made a lot of hot sauce. But every hot sauce has been lacto fermented, which means time. So what if you want a hot sauce but you don't want to wait a week? Well, you can make a banging hot sauce just like this in 20 minutes. Let me show you. We'll start with a little sliced red onion and some peeled garlic cloves. Place the pan on the heat, add some oil and chuck in the onion and garlic. Cook gently until the veg is soft and light golden brown. Roughly chop up a red bell pepper, and of course don't forget those chili seeds and all. Then throw the pepper and chili into the pan and continue to cook until soft. You might want to open a window, the air's about to get spicy. Once soft, add a little salt and some sugar to the pan, followed by some red wine vinegar and a bit of water. Bring everything to the boil, then cover with the lid and simmer for 10 minutes or until the chilies are soft. Then place everything into a blender with a squeeze of fresh lime juice and blitz the sauce together until silky smooth. And that's it. A spicy little pepper sauce that's ready to bottle in less than 20. Of course, we had to take it for a little spin, so I heated it up with a little bit of butter, drowned some chicken wings. I just went crazy. If you love hot sauce but short on time, this is the one for you. Make that sauce, coat those wings, and don't forget to like and follow.